Hello everyone. Thanks for coming back to my channel. So today I know this is a new thing here, okay? I'm screen recording and you can't see my face, whatever. Um I can't set up my camera right now. Sorry. So, I'm going to go over the trade today. I have been utilizing TradeZilla. I started using TradeZilla, I would say the beginning of I used it last year, honestly. I used it like I think actually I have a video up that talks about why you should get a trading journal. I don't okay, my thoughts have changed. I don't think you should get a trading journal. I think you should just go to your trades. I think you should just play out your trade and then assess your emotions afterwards. I genuinely don't think that a journal is that serious. But I really wanted to utilize TradeZilla just so that I can see all my stats, see my data analytics. I mean, I am a data analyst anyways, so I was curious. I was like, okay, let me see. I as much as I use Webull doesn't really. It's not as informative as this. So I'm gonna go over that my first trade where the trade that I was swinging. Sorry. How do I get rid of this? Can I get rid of this? Jeez. So this is actually the trade. Oh yeah, the one thing that I love about TradeZilla as well is that you can literally see your trade. I think that's actually. I'm not gonna lie. They flexed with that one. I want to turn off this thingy. Oh, there you go. So you can literally see the trade that you got in and when you went out, and I think that's honestly so smart. So I got in this trade at this area right here, and I got it in on Friday and I exited it on Wednesday. But I exited at this point over here. Price broke and hit my stop loss right here. I don't know, it doesn't say the exact time that I exited, but it hit my stop loss. And technically it hit the take profit line, but I can actually see why I lost this trade because the take profit line is honestly not that steep. And yes, I got in this for the 4 hour in the 4 hour time frame, but I don't know. I think the contract that I also had, the delta and the theta were very close. So it honestly it ate into my contract, and it wasn't a quality trade and it wasn't a quality contract. So, but yeah. And then let me go on to the next one. So my next trade was actually pretty nice. Oh yeah, let me show. So I got into longs for this one. Okay, I forgot to show you. So I got into longs for this one. And honestly, I would give this trade a 3 out of 5 because it was my first swing trade, my first official serious swing trade, and the contract, honestly, I could have done better in getting a better contract because of the delta and the theta. So let's move on to the next one. Yeah, so the next trade was actually pretty nice. $72. Literally, I would give it, the only reason I gave it a 4.5, or is that 4.5? Yeah. 4.5 stars is because why did I do it? Oh yeah, it was because I didn't let the trade play out all the way until it hit exit. I got out at a support. Actually, I got out at a support area, and it went down, but there was FOMC this day. So I try not to, I don't want news to, before I used to base my trades off of news, and I'm trading in the higher time frame now, so I don't think I need to like worry about news. I just really need to worry about the direction of price. So I got in at the break of this point right here. When price broke this area, I got in for shorts and I exited at, okay, this is getting annoying. And I exited at this point here. which is a point of support. Let's look at the trade a little bit. Yeah, so I got $72 off of that, which is honestly nice. I went by the playbook. I entered, I had two or more touch points. I entered using price action, but price didn't hit the stop loss, and I did not allow the trade to play out. I closed it out before price even hit the line, the take profit line. So that's why I gave it a 4 out of whatever. On to the next trade. So next trade was actually the day that I actually closed that QQQ trade. I got in again because I saw that price broke. And I believe I was using the 4-hour candle. I was literally using the 4-hour candle because I was trying to get into a swing trade. So I closed the next day when I saw that price broke this overnight. I got in just at the closing of the market and was able to capitalize off here. So what is this doing here? No. So I exited and took profit over here. As soon as market opened, I took profit. And then I am actually currently in a trade right now with AMD. And I'm actually in drawdown right now. I'm actually in 2 trades with AMD, but we're going to talk about that whenever the trade is over. But yeah, I hope you could follow along this. This is like new. I think this is actually better than me just showing the graph because you actually see how much I risked on the trade and how much I gained, how much I lost on the trade and how much I gained. So yeah, I would give this one a beautiful 5 out of 5, 5 stars. I gave it because it's still going up, to be honest. I could have stayed in the trade, but I was like, no, I got out when price went up. So yeah, but yeah, those are my stats. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more. If you want to see my playbook, if you want to see my playbook and everything, I post that all the time on my Discord. I try to go live on there every day. And yeah, let's chat on there. Right now, it's literally just me and my sister. I used to have a lot of people there that were like, engaging and telling me about their trades. But, to each their own, to be honest. It's just a great place that I can at least see that there are other people who are interested in trading and talk about it. And yeah, because if it's one thing that I really, really, really wanted was that I really wanted to have like a trading community. And I'm glad that my sister got into trading and she's in there. So don't be afraid to join the Discord. Say, hey, we have 36 members now. Whoop, whoop. So yeah, it'll be in the description. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. No, let me say that again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks, bye.